In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started by opening a web browser. It's best to use a modern browser for this task, such as Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. These browsers will provide you with a smoother experience when navigating through the admin settings. Next, you'll want to go to the admin portal. In your browser's address bar, type in admin.cloud.microsoft and press Enter. This will direct you to the Microsoft Admin Sign-In page. Here, you'll need to sign in using your work or school account. Make sure you have the correct credentials handy, as this is crucial for accessing the admin features. Once you're signed in, you'll need to check your permissions. It's important to ensure that you are logged in as a global administrator or a Teams administrator. These roles are necessary for accessing the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, so if you don't have these permissions, you won't be able to proceed. If you're unsure about your role, you might want to check with your IT department. After confirming your role, you'll see that the Microsoft 365 Admin Center loads on your screen. Look for the left-hand navigation panel. Sometimes, the menu might be condensed to save space. If that's the case, simply click on Show All or locate the three dots icon. This will help reveal the full list of available services within Microsoft 365. Now, scroll down through this expanded list until you find Microsoft Teams. You should see it listed along with its recognizable T icon. Give it a click. This action will take you one step closer to the Teams Admin Center. Once you select Microsoft Teams, your browser will then open the Teams Admin Center. The URL should be admin.teams.microsoft.com/dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all things related to Microsoft Teams. When the dashboard loads, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. On the left sidebar, you will find various options that allow you to manage users, devices, meetings, and messaging policies. Clicking through these options will let you configure different aspects of Microsoft Teams according to your organization's needs. If this is your first time in the Admin Center, don't hesitate to explore the features available to you. There's a wealth of resources and settings at your fingertips that can help you optimize your team's collaboration experience. And that's it. You've successfully accessed the Microsoft Teams Admin Center. With these steps, you're now equipped to navigate through the various settings and tools available for managing Microsoft Teams effectively. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll be happy to assist. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.